Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about how to extract image using ROI. Okay, means when you select some area, like I am select this one. Like I am select some area like this in this image area, and that image filter or we can say extract to another image file. Okay, how we can do this? First, right click here, come to vision, and choose a different image display. Okay. Okay, this is your real image. Okay, now I am enter here extract image. Okay, like this. Now I increase the size. Okay, now let's control T. Okay, right click here and come to vision motion, pin this. Okay, I am doing this first. Yes. Now what do you do? And come to vision utilities. Okay, now I select this one, image manipulation. Okay, and you see IMQ extra true. Click and drag here. Okay. The next one is image management. IMQ create, same process. Okay, the next one is file and IMQ read file. Choose this one and close this one. Now what do you do? Select this part, control space, control W. Okay. Okay, right click and create a constant. I am entering here 1. Okay, and image type, right click create a constant. Sorry, right click create a constant. Okay, select RGB. Okay, now image out, file data. Okay, now what do you do? First, file path, right click create a control. This is your file path, and image out, click and connect to this terminal. This is image 1, real image. Okay, now you see image RSC and image destination. You see this is the image destination 1. Now you need to create another one for this image destination. Okay, now first image SRC, connect to this one. Okay, now copy this one. Okay, now connect to this one. You see image destination like this. Okay, and you see error in Slack and connect to this one. Okay, the next one is like image destination out. This is your output. Now connect to this one and connect to this terminal. Yes, all done. The most important thing, that is ROI. Okay, optional rectangle. Okay, they have two options. First is manually, same right click and create a control. Okay, help of this you can easy to enter value. Okay, when you start to increase and you see like I am entering some value about some destination. Okay, this is the manual option, but right now we are using auto. That is, I am creating this one, control V. Click to image, right click and create property node, and you see ROI, click and drag here. Okay, now what you do, right click, cluster, unbundle by name, select this one and connect to this terminal like this. This is the rectangle, global rectangle. Okay, now select this terminal and connect to this one like this. Yes, now press first, very important, you see when I enter some value, that is a 1 or some path. Okay, 1, but in the second you need to change. I am entering 2. Okay, you can choose any name, any numeric value, anything. Control T. Okay. Okay, select this one and choose image color and click to run. Okay, now when I select some area, like I am select this one, and you see it's only display this one. Right click and zoom to fit this. Okay, when I select a green, it's only show green. Like this one, this path, like this, black, blue, pink, like this. When I select this path and you see this, it only show that area. This one like this. Okay, it's very important. Right now let's choose another image. Let's come to D and desktop, desktop world, and have a YouTube and have some images. Okay, now you see. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, zoom to fit. Yes. Now when I select to this, you see. Okay, drag rectangle on watch and you see. Okay, now you see. Now let's see in the background what's okay, it's blur. Okay, now I'm choose a like half image like this and you see. Zoom to fit. Yes, you can easy to do. It's very important. Okay, in your project you can easy to modify or focus on some like some area. Okay, then help of this you can easy to do, like select eyes and you see. Okay, and lips, nearby lips, you see. Okay, you can select like this. Okay, help of this you can easy to do. Okay, this project is done and you see there have lots of right click and click to indicator. It's very important, and click to hide indicator like this, right click and use icon. Okay, now your project is fully complete. Same here, right click and create indicator and hide to indicator, right click and view as icon. Yes, now done. Yes, now you can do anything as you want. So guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.